Orion's a aerospace company. We also have a very strong mission, and we help people with barriers. It could be disabilities, could be addiction, homelessness, could be a lot of different things. If you don't have the strongest resume or you don't have the strongest experience, sometimes people won't even look at you. Sometimes they just look on the paper and it's not good enough. But here, they get to know these people, they give them a chance. Sometimes people just need an extra chance. An apprenticeship program teaches you the skills if you want to be in aerospace or manufacturing. It teaches you to build. It gives you experience. It gives you education. If you want to make more money, you want to be good at what you do, an apprenticeship is a great way to go. I loved the apprenticeship in AJAC because it was so similar to what I do here. Measuring, math, machine maintenance, safety. I felt like it would help my career. I want to continue learning for the rest of my life. I feel like it's keeps your brain strong, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So I started the apprenticeship, and I'm a father to a little boy. His mom passed away, and so I had to postpone my apprenticeship for a little bit of time to pick up the pieces and keep going from there. So I'm a full-time dad to a little boy. Things are tough from time to time, but you know, we keep moving forward. You know, it's trying to not focus on the negative parts of things. But yes, it was nice that I was able to take a little time off, put my life back together, and then continue down the road, and then finish school. Yeah, it made me so happy. My boy's just a little fireball, and he loves to build stuff. I like to build stuff. My father liked to build stuff. So yeah, I want to get him down this same road that I'm in, and if he wants to go and do an apprenticeship, I would be more grateful. When he gets older someday, if he could work alongside me, that would be wonderful. Yeah, so graduating apprenticeship, it was just important to me to finish what I started. I want to inspire other people that might want to get in the same career, continue their schooling, to, even if something bad in your life happens, to finish what you start. There was many times I felt like it was overwhelming to me and that I wasn't going to finish, but I have support at work, I have support at school, and just kept going. So yeah, I feel very good. Yeah, I'm very grateful for Orion. I'm very grateful for AJAC in this whole experience. It's been wonderful. I want to lead by example. I want to show people that you can do more than just a few things. You know, you can take on a lot of responsibility, but yeah, my biggest accomplishment is just being a good dad.